Here we go. Stop raining. British summertime. Shame summer's over, innit? Doggy's looking happy. Zina, say hello. Hello. No one's scratching yourself. Say hello. Good girl. Come on. Not going to go walking down by the field. Field's over there. Because it's wet. And which car park did I pull in? One by the side of the canal that goes to the field. She knows where she's going. Yeah, there's a house up there. Be ideal for some of our boat dwelling friends. Catch their own tea. Allegedly. Anyway, hello. Got the hat on. Got the hat on for good reason. It's been raining. Quite windy down here as well. I missed it. Even the ducks are flying away. What are you seeing? Hey, what are you seeing? You know where you're getting up there, missus. No matter what is up there. There's some blackberries still. Does anybody know if it's true? Well, somebody said these things, the seed pods, you can eat the seeds. That's the plant. It is some invasive plant, but apparently you can eat the seeds if you can catch them, because you squeeze the pods and they explode. Later in the year, should I say, give them a few more weeks, they'll be big fat pods. You touch them and they explode and black seeds come out. And somebody said you can eat them. Yeah. Is it true? And if so, what do you do with them? Dougie's busy sniffing and I've walked off down the canal. Oh, there's lots of birdies over there, fields over there. Dougie's favourite field. There's a splash now, it's me falling in. Not phone falling in, one at all. Nearly. That's a wide gap, that. Did you fall over here? Good. This is where you tie your boat up. For those that don't know, actually, I should do what I've been told and introduce myself. I'm the Flying Trucker. I do videos at random, usually on a weekend when I've got more time and I'm taking Doggy for a walk. This is my Zina. One of two doggies. The other doggy's in Bridlington. That's Missy. And we now by the side of the canal. On the bit that you pull up to, tie your boat up before you go through the lock. Which canal is it? Oh, that's the point. That's the point, actually. Think about that. I think it's Leeds Liverpool, this one. That many canals round here. We will find out. Because further up here, there's something that'll tell you. Yeah, take your boat up there, and yeah, walk all the way up here. That's water coming through. There'll be rocks. Apparently, it's a flowing canal. Is this one? That means the water's constantly moving. Big steel arm blocks. Look. Woo! Don't fall off there. For those that are afraid of heights, they'll live. Doggy's disappeared. She's gone onto the field. So that bag of you, I'm off. There you go. She's off. She's left the sleeping bag. Weird place to leave a sleeping bag. Been camping out. Calder Valley Greenway. Pedestrians have priority. Considerate cycling permitted. Considerate cycling permitted. Okay. Whatever that means. Give way at bridges. Be careful at bends and entrances. Yeah. Please consider other users and warn them of your approach. That's all fine to the cyclist, is that, isn't it? You're supposed to have a bell or a horn. Right, here we go. Woodside Mill Lock. Calder and Hebble. Oh, we're still on the Calder and Hebble here. Perhaps you have to get right down. There's big houses down there. You have to get down past Big House towards Wakefield. Alright. Or is it a whole different canal? I don't know. This is the Calder and Hebble. Oh well. Do we walk up there? Or do we go on Dougie's field? I'm asking that as if I were doing a live. Them purple clouds. That's weird. Trees. Dougie, don't jump in. Where are we going, Zena? Zena, where are we going? Where are we going? Eh? Geese are back. Where are they? Here, over there somewhere. Can't hear him for noise at machines. There's a paper mill over there. That way, behind that tree. Recycling paper. There's some geese flying about. Oh well, there's a lot of midges. Because it's wet probably. You can see them. Camera won't put it. Oh yeah, you can see some. Where are we going, Zena? Where are we going? Zena, where are we going? Where are we going? Ah, that's where we're going, is it? Ooh, pistols. Careful. Camera didn't like that. Yeah. That's weird. It went all out of focus then. We could try it again. So then down here. Must be my specs. Oh, what's she found now? Whatever it is going to jump out at me in a minute. Oh, I found it. You see it? Little ball. Tiny little thing there. See ya. He's quick. Have you gone? Yeah. No, lost it. Don't know if you could see that. I'll have to look back at that. Being bent down and trying to keep your eye on a tiny little ball. She's still chasing it now. Useless dog. Xena. 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 Went over there. Went that way. Xena. Dipstick. Went that way. This way. Over here. Be long gone now. First class hunting dog. Give her 2 seconds and she's lost it. Useless hound. Alright, we've been walking out middle of the field now because I think he's had his last crop off this grass. Woo. How close can we get to a heron? Oh, doggy scares it now. That thing's hunting the same thing the dog just found. Hunting the little wolves. Until the field is up down. Oh, we're going to be closer then. She's still looking for it. You found it? Xena? Xena? Did you find it? You find that big birdie? Hey, Patty, did you find that big birdie? Hey? Entitled the video Eaten by Giant Bird. I'm watching where I'm going because there's all sorts of holes in this field. My feet are getting wet. My so-called waterproof shoes. Resistant. I'll have to respray my waterproof shoes. Come on then, doggies. Before it gets dark, we better go back. You know, sometimes over. It's getting darker sooner at night, isn't it? Oh, there was in, you know. Can you see what it says? That is no longer Grandad, that is now Great Grandad. Woohoo! Right, doggies have had 5 minutes. So come on, dog, run up there, weigh yourself out. Yeah. I do hope I did manage to get a picture of that little ball running off. Poor little thing. Am I saying that? Could have been worse. Could have been eaten by the heron. Heron? He's up on the other side of that banky. Flipping lockjaw. Right, we're on our way back. I've now got wet feet because I stood in a puddle. There's a limit to how much water these boots can resist. She's looking for that ball again. You don't know what the ball is, it's like a tiny little mousy looking thing, but fluffier and cuter. Right, we're going now. No? Eh? No, we're not going. You're enjoying yourself too much. Eh? What are we doing then? Heading off? It's pretty steep, this. Loose when wet. Should we going that way? We'll see if it's spooky and haunted up here. Because up back of there, that's why the lot's called Woodside Mills Lot. Is what's left of a mill, a very big one. In fact, there's some humongous masonry in among those trees. See the mill over there? It's got big arch windows as well. Very, just over there, very decorative. And just at the side of the big arch window, there's a wall and there's a big lump of stone. Must have been some sort of winch on it at one time, I'm guessing. See it better in daylight. Look, midges. You can see the ghosts. Yeah. See the ghosts and I've got some of that on, isn't it? Yeah, some weird noises. And some strange lights. Just about to see where the old dock was there, where they must have brought the narrowboats in. Just over there. That bit. It's actually level there. And you go back up and there's a higher wall again. And there you have it. Woodside Mills. Anybody knows anything more? Yeah, you can let me know if you want, if you've got any more information on it. I don't know. Strange, isn't it? Come on, doggy. The bike coming. Good girl. Bike. Right on the basket, deaf on the road, but they're allowed to. They've got to ride with consideration. It's a bit more over there, see all the lights. Must be busy making paper. It's usually very quiet on a Saturday night. But there we go. You wouldn't believe how dark it is. Oh, well, again. Just started to show up on camera now. Dark and spooky. Ooh. Yeah, can't see it. Don't think. Just up there. The big lump of masonry come loose. Well, not falling down. Make you wonder why they partially demolished it. You know, big lumps of stone, you think they'd have reused them. But there we are, what do I know? Get windy again, doggies. Black dog in the dark. Disappearing dog. I think we better get back before I can't see dog anymore. Yes. See you all later. Bye bye.